I'll fix it here. I've got some used air conditioners made for a window, and my windows open this way, not this way. So we have to figure out how to get these in there and make it work right. Stay with me and we'll figure it out together, okay? Let's do it. First thing to do before I even clean this old used thing up is to plug it in and see if it works first. We'll crank on something here. There's high cool. Come on, baby. I'm not getting anything out of this. I decided to check the power on my cord, make sure I was getting 110 to it. And then I noticed there's a reset button at the plug-in. There's a little button right down there where you plug it in. I just reset it and it came right on. Nice. Oh, here we go. We got something happening. Okay, it's on high cool. At least I know the fan works. I'll give it a minute or two to see if it gets cold. Yeah, it's getting cool now. Not too bad. Getting cooler yet. Yes. Oh, here it comes now. Even more cool. That's cool. I like it. All right, so we can at least clean it up now. I feel better. At least know it works. These things have some kind of a filter deal. Over here on the side, there is some kind of filter thing. Yay! So first thing we do is clean that up and clean the whole thing. I cleaned that up really nice. Sprayed it out with a high pressure water hose and slapped it dry enough. And I've got myself some just some universal what's multi-purpose cleaner. That's what it is. And I'm gonna see if I can clean up the grubbiness of it before we get it going. Clean it with a hose. I'm not sure if we're gonna use these. Meanwhile, probably could put this back in. Let's see. Now, I also noticed when I was looking at this thing, I'm noticing that these little fins are squished over pretty bad back here. I'm not sure if there's anything I can do about that. I know that it does work because I tried it, but it would work more efficiently if that wasn't all squished over like that. Maybe with a wire brush or something, maybe I can bring some of that back. We'll see. In case you're wondering, no, a wire brush didn't do much. And I managed to open up a few of these just like with pocket knife and scratching on it, but not very good. So we're just gonna have to go with what we have, see what happens. It's gonna go in this window over here. Sliding vertical window. Let's see how this goes. If I put a piece of wood into this slot here and over here in this window, that will hold this into place actually. And we may not even have to have a stand. Oh, I can make a stand. That's not hard to do. But I do need to make something to go right across here and hold this for sure. Yeah, I'm not too sure we need those louver things. Maybe not. I think we just put it right over here. Yeah, I'll just cut a piece of wood for this. Let me get a tape measure and measure that. Hey, I found a piece of wood here that might be good for that. Look at that. It fits pretty good in there. And I'm going to let it stick over an inch over here to go inside of this slot. And stick over a little bit there to hook on the window or something. So actually I want it to be about 18 inches. All right, we'll cut that. That goes right in this little slot right over there. This bracket holds that. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's nice. Look at the way that stick holds it in there nicely. I like it. I might put a piece of foam around the edges right there or something to seal that up. And then we got to put something in right here. Look, it's got a hole over here for a screw, ready to go. We put a screw right in there, hold this wood into there, holds it all together. Wow. What do we need over here? We need something to go in here. It's like about 17 inches. It's different up here. What the heck? The window's not even straight. Something's not straight. The whole wall's not even straight, I guess. 17 here, and up here it's only, you know, it's like 16 3/4. What the? What's going on with that? Anyways, let's see how tall we want. Go right up inside of there. And go down here to 34. See if we can slide it right in this groove right here. That could be good. I'll get some thin plexiglass. Wow, that would be nice. 17¼ by 34. Hey, I scored this whiteboard stuff. It's like a dry erase board. Well, on the other side's white, like a dry erase board. Anyway, 20 bucks for a big sheet of it. And then I cut a piece and put it right there, and it's working just fine. So I have another bedroom that I'm going to do the same thing. So that's why I got this whole sheet. Yeah. Okay, we didn't really need this stuff. All we needed was a little foam and stuffed it in, you know, along the side, underneath. That's nice. And let's go inside and see what it looks like. See. Oh, I can feel the difference in here. Wow. It is cool in this room. The only room that is cool. Oh yeah, all right. So, that's that whiteboard. I mean, like dry erase marker thing. You could use it for that. Okay. I'll fix it here. We did it again. What do you know? And I can feel nice and cool in this room. Thanks for tuning in. You know what to do. Adios. Ciao.